Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture I will tell you how to insert a smart art or chart and what we do with the smart art and charts. So let's start. First of all, to adding a smart art, going to insert menu. After going insert menu, click on smart art. After clicking smart art, you can see that the many smart arts are given. Here many smart arts names are given. Here all smart arts are given. All smart are given. If you want to select adding a data on any smart art, simply select the smart arts, and after selecting click on after selecting. For example, I want to add a data on the smart art. I first of all select it. After selecting, click on OK. After clicking OK, you can see that the smart art is added on the working area. Here you can see that the first block, second block and the third blocks. To adding data on first block, click on first block text, and after clicking text, enter your data where you want to the add. For example, I want to the add input unit, and then click on second adding data control unit, and then third is output unit. Output unit. You will also able to change its size. Simply pick this and draw. You will same issue or same, click on this and that's a simple method to adding a text on smart arts. You will also able to change these shapes into other forms. For example, I want to change its shapes this. Simply click on this layouts, and many more styles are given. Layouts are given. Clicking on this, then many layouts are given here. In You will also able to change its colors. For example, I want to change that three types in color, different colors. Click on this change colors. After clicking change colors, many colors are given below. uh, for example, I want to give this color. Click on this. Here simple, you will also able to change smart art style. For example, if you want to the convert into 3D, simply click on this. Here the many styles are given. Select any styles where you want to be given. For example, I want to give this. Here you can see that its style is changing. That's a simple how to insert a charts. For example, in this lecture I will tell you how to insert a pie charts. First of all, I am tell you that the pie chart, for example, go to computer. After going computer, click on any drive. For example, I click drive D. After clicking drive D, go to its properties. After properties, here you can see that that type of chart is called pie chart. Here you can see that the blue color shows the used space and the pink color shows the free space. You will also able to insert that type of flow, that type of pie chart on Word. Simply, for example, to adding a pie chart, go to Word. After going working area, click on insert menu. After clicking insert, go to charts. After clicking chart, you can see that the many charts are given blue. Simply first of all select the what type of charts you want to add. For example, I want to add a pie chart. Simply click on pie. After clicking pie, you can see that the 3D pie and pie of pie. For example, I want to adding a pie chart of local drive date. Simply select this. After selecting, click on OK. After clicking OK, you can see that the access spreadsheet are shown here and the data are shown here. You can simply fill data. For example, you can see that that's here. You can change its text. For example, first quarter, second. Simply click on this, enter C drive, and next enter D drive, next enter E, next enter F drive. Here you can after pressing entering, you can see that it's changed. You will also able to change its scales by simply select. For example, I want to change its scale to 3 to 7. After adding 7, enter. After entering, you can see that the scales of D drive is changed into 7. Close this. After closing, you will also able to same smart art. You will also able to change its colors by simply click on this. Here many colors are given. You will also able to change its layouts. same clicking on this. For example, I want to give one this layouts, click on this. Here you can see that the C drive, D drive. You will also able to change its styles or convert into 3D. Simply click on this more. After clicking more, you can see that the many 3D styles are shown here. For example, I want to give this, click on this. After clicking, you can see that it's can also able to add a many smart art charts. Okay, best of luck.